welcome back everyone. It's Big Al, and this time around we've got a challenge locking device called Crawl by Average Picker. Crawl, that's kind of a cool name for it, as it says right here on the key, Crawl. And there is the key. It looks like it's a quick set, and it says what? Easy set, easy S-E-T, I'm guessing easy set. And it does work like butter. I have not tried picking it yet because I wanted it to be a nice realistic pick, I guess you can call it. So let's see. It looks like it's pretty fat up there. So yeah, we got top of keyway. And beans, we got this ledge right here. Let's come in a little bit and check it out. It ought to do her. Oh, real quick too, I did add a couple names over here. I got lockpicking gal and keyless entry right there. Excuse me, keyless entry. And like I said, if you got a locksport lockpicking channel and you would like to add your name to the infamous wall of fame back there, let me know. I'd be glad to add you. Be honored to have you on there. Excuse me. All right, so back to the lock at hand. We got top of keyway, and like I said, we got a nice ledge there to work off of on quick set. So I'm gonna try the Peterson. It's the short hook. It's got the flat top. It's kind of like the gem with a cut off hook. So let's see if we can get in there with that. Usually you can, and had I not been able to see the key, I wouldn't know that either, but it's not that ridiculous. It's got some decent highs and lows, but not real crazy. If it was, I'd probably have to use a different pick. We'll find out. Let's see. Wow. Can't even get the pick in there. Okay. Start with one then. Okay. Seeing if anything up. I think 4. Maybe. Oh. All the way in the back. Felt like a click. I'm liking this lock already. Okay, coming back out. Now I'm just trying to give the pins a little wiggle and see if it'll talk to me. We're back on pin 1 and I got some counter. Okay, see if that okay, a little more. All right. Let's see if the pins will tell me what they want. Yep, all the way in the back. Felt okay. 4. It felt good. Counter rotation right here. Felt good. We're in a slight bit of a false set now. Oh, here we go. Some more counter. Oof, it's coming way back. Here we go. Nice false set. Going to the back again. I think it's 4. Way back. Oof. Ooh, man. Deeper false set. Oh, ooh, thought it was open. Beautiful lock. I'm loving this one. All right, let's see. 5. Let's give him a little jerk. Oh, there we go. All right, it was pin 4. Beautiful. That was flipping fun. See, that's why I like, sometimes I like to try a lock beforehand to see what's going to happen, but sometimes it's fun also to just get a nice raw, what do you want to call it, just a raw pick. All right, let's get it out of here. We are very much open. Let's see. Fair enough. Okay, so now let me see. Get this out of the way and come down over here. All right. boom, bada bing. Let's use a different pin and tray this time. I've been using the same one for a while. Use one of these from Bobby Keys. There's a Bobby Keys one right there. We'll use that guy right there. That's a whole lot of red there, isn't it? Let's see. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. The old quick set, let me see. I've got a tool for that somewhere. Where's it at? Where are you? That's alright, we don't need it. It's probably right here in front of me somewhere. I'm probably looking right at it and don't see it. And actually, I just bought another one of these tail removers, because I bought a quick set re-pin kit. That little spring. Just don't want to lose it. Okay, so we're still in the open position. I think we can just roll with that. I'm going to try to use a shim just for the heck of it. Practice what you preach, right? Ooh, yeah, because it doesn't even want to go in there. There we go. Had to kind of bring it around. All right. Let's try this. Pins are over there. Okay. The humble 5-pin quick set. Gotta love it. What's the way that I go? That way? Just like that. These quick set, when they use quick set pins, see, I think that's, I don't know if that's upside down or the right way. These quick set pins, golly, sometimes you can never tell which way they're supposed to go because they're tapered on both ends. So let me see something real quick. Let me get my specs on. I know that went that way. That's got to go that way, and that's got to go that way. Those are pointed. Okay. All right, and the core we've got nada. I don't see nothing. No mods to the core. All right. Shim. Bada boom, bada bang. Well, there's another hot one today, boy. Tell you what. And it's hot in here right now because let you in on a little secret. Oh, nice. That's probably why I closed up the holes on that core. We've got a major like T-pin there. Got a close-up on it. But while I'm recording, I make sure everything is turned off, including the fan I have next to me, because I don't like any background noise. Try to keep the video as clean and nice as I can, so it gets extra hot when I'm recording. So you're welcome for that. Alright, so let's get them up here and get a close-up on these beautiful pins real quick from Average Picker. Let's see. Good enough, yeah? All the springs are standard up there, but that's all good. So we've got key pins. We got serrated in 1, 2, 3, standard in 4, serrated in 5. And then we got, for drivers, a serrated in 1, kind of like a, almost like a serrated spool in 2. And again, a serrated in 3, and then we got this cool looking, looks like a arrow. It's going to act like a T-pin, and it did work great. This lock did work really good, and here we go again, a T-pin in number 5. So it worked really good, really nice and tricky. From Average Picker, that was Crawl. All right, so that'll wrap this up. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And like I said on the Stock Lock Sunday videos, we're still doing the Pack Lock a Week giveaway. I am going to let those run from Sunday to Sunday so everyone has a chance to comment on that video and possibly win the Pack Lock. So you'll have a whole week to comment on those videos. So as always, if you liked the video here, give it a thumbs up. And if you comment, I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Oh, and I'm at 500 subscribers. By the way, I just ordered some stuff from Sparrows. It'll be here soon. And we will get to the, I will do a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be similar to the last one or two, where I do like a double giveaway just for fun. All right, that'll do it.